Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to crochet one more snowflake decorated with beads. My snowflake is a little over 5 inches in diameter, but this can be easily changed using different size of thread and a different hook. I will be crocheting using cotton thread size 10 and my hook is 1.95 millimeter. I will also be using beads. On this snowflake, I used only smaller 4 millimeter beads, but this time I decided to use bigger beads, 8 millimeter beads, here in the middle, and that's why I strung them on the crochet thread in this order. A smaller bead, a bigger one, a smaller one, and I repeated it 6 times. This snowflake consists of only 4 rounds, and the main stitch we are going to be using here is a triple crochet stitch. In the first round, in a magic ring, we'll make 12 triple crochet stitches with chain 2 between. We won't need the beads until the last row, so I'm moving them on the thread and am making a magic ring like this. Instead of the first triple crochet, I'll make chain 4. This is the height of a triple crochet stitch, and chain 2 for separation. Now thread over twice, and I'll pull the hook through 2 threads 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, a triple crochet, chain 2, thread over twice, another triple crochet stitch, 1, 2, 3 times. We are pulling the hook through, chain 2, and the triple crochet, 1, 2, 3 times, chain 2, and so on. Continue making triple crochet stitches, make 12 of them, and at the end make a slip stitch in this 4th beginning chain. Like this. Last chain 2 and the 4th beginning chain, a slip stitch. This is the first round. Before moving on, I want to fix the magic ring and get rid of the thread, so I'm passing a needle with this thread on the left side of work in at least 2 different directions. In the second round, we'll alternate puff stitches made of 3 triple crochet stitches together and triple crochet stitches, and we'll be making chain 5 between them. We'll start with a puff stitch, and every time a puff stitch begins the round, if this puff stitch consists of triple crochet stitches, instead of chain 4, we are making chain 3 at the beginning, and then we'll start making a triple crochet stitch in the same place, but we won't finish it. We'll pull the hook through 2 times. Only we'll start the next triple crochet, and once again we'll pull the hook through 2 times, And now when there are 3 threads on the hook, we'll pull the hook through all of them, and we'll make chain 5, making the first one pretty tight. Now a triple crochet stitch in the next triple crochet. This is just a regular triple crochet stitch. Chain 5, another puff stitch, thread over twice. We'll start the first stitch, we won't finish it. Start the second one, won't finish it, and one more in the same place. And now when we have 4 threads on the hook, we'll pull the hook through all of them. We'll make chain 5 and a triple crochet in the next triple crochet, and once again chain 5. Continue working this round, please, alternating puff stitches and triple crochet stitches, and at the end make a slip stitch in this first puff stitch. Like this, chain 5 and a slip stitch here at the top of the puff stitch. Second round. In round 3, in each puff stitch we'll be making 4 triple crochet stitches, and then chain 5, a single crochet in the nearest chain 5 space, a single crochet in the triple crochet, and a single crochet on the other side of the triple crochet. So 3 single crochets all together, and chain 5 again before making the next group of 4 triple crochets. Because we are making regular triple crochets, now we'll start with chain 4 instead of the first one, and now regular triple crochets, 1, 2, 3. We have made 4. Chain 5, a single crochet in this chain 5 space close to the triple crochet, a single crochet in the triple crochet, and a single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Chain 5. In the next puff stitch, once again 4 triple crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 5, a single crochet to the right of this triple crochet, a single crochet in the triple crochet, and a single crochet to the left of the triple crochet. Chain 5, and continue working this pattern. At the end of the round, make a slip stitch in the 4th beginning chain. I am now at the end of round 3 and am making a slip stitch in the 4th beginning chain. Like this. In the last round, in each triple crochet stitch, we'll be making a puff stitch, also consisting of 3 triple crochets, and then chain 4, a bead, chain 4. If you do not want to use beads, instead of that you can make extra chain 3 and a slip stitch in the first of those 3 chains. It will make a picot. So we'll be making 4 triple crochet stitches with beads between them, and then chain 5, a single crochet in the middle of these 3 single crochets of the previous round, and chain 5. We'll soon need the beads, so I moved them closer. But first I need to make the first puff stitch. So chain 3 because it's a puff stitch. And now I'm beginning a triple crochet. I'm not finishing it, and I'm beginning another one. Not finishing it. Now I'll finish them together. We'll make chain 4, and I'll use a small bead now. I'll move it to the right of my work. We'll make a tight chain stitch to fix the bead, and now chain 4 again. Another puff stitch in the next triple crochet, 1 unfinished triple crochet, the second unfinished triple crochet, the third unfinished triple crochet. Now we have 4 threads on the hook. I'll pull the hook through. We'll make chain 4, a bigger bead this time. Once again, I am moving it to the back and to the right of my work, and we'll make a tight chain stitch and then chain 4. Another triple crochet, puff stitch, 1 unfinished, second unfinished, third unfinished triple crochet. Finish them together, chain 4, a small bead to the right, fix it, and chain 4. And the last triple crochet puff stitch in this group, 1, 2, 3, okay, finish them all together, chain 5 now, a single crochet in the middle of these 3 slip stitch, single crochets, sorry, and the chain 5. Now another puff stitch in the first of the 4 triple crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 4, a little bead, fix it, and chain 4. The next puff stitch, 1, 2, 3, chain 4, a bigger bead, chain 4, and the next puff stitch, chain 4, a smaller bead, chain 4, and the last puff stitch in this group, chain 5, a single crochet in the middle of the group of 3 single crochets, chain 5. Continue working this pattern, please, and at the end make a slip stitch in the first puff stitch here. This is the end of round 4. I've made chain 5 and am now making a slip stitch in the first puff stitch. And that's it. Now we can cut off and weave in the thread. Now stretch and spread the snowflake very well, and with your hands apply a little boiled starch on it. You do not want to soak the snowflake completely because of the beads. The snowflake can be dried being simply put on a piece of cotton cloth and being stretched from time to time while it is drying. But it's better to use a blocking pattern. A blocking pattern is easy to make. It consists of a few concentric circles divided into 12 equal parts. And it's important to use non-rusting pins. This is it for today. If you liked the video, please push the like button. And if you want to be informed of all the new developments on the channel, consider subscribing and pushing the notification bell. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye-bye.